Hi guys, welcome to Manware Education. So in this video we will discuss competition versus cutoff for Maharashtra Law CET 3 years. Guys, already exam का form out हो गया है. Form filling has also started. So in this video we will see what are the competition for you to get admission in top colleges, what are the cutoff for top colleges, what are the opportunities for you after pursuing law, and what are the placements given by top colleges. So before we proceed ahead, we have launched a crash course batch. In this crash course batch, you will get live classes, books, all the shortcut tricks, doubt classes will be there where all the doubts of yours will be cleared, recorded videos will be there, topic test, mock test, WhatsApp group will be there for your all the queries and doubts, 10,000 question for practice, mentorship by our exam mentors. So you can prepare with us Maharashtra Law CET 3 and 5 years, CLAT, DU LLB, BHU Law, SLAT, AILET. You can also prepare for 2021, 22 and 23. All the batches are launched. We have launched crash course batch from July onwards. So what are you waiting, guys? Book your seat now. Call on 8828581455. You can also visit to our website manwareedu.com/law entrance. Okay, so let us talk about competition for L.L.B 3 years. So if we talk about number of aspirants, so there were 40,354 aspirant has given the Maharashtra Law CET examination, and this time ड्यू टू पैंडमिक सिचुएशन जो एग्जामिनेशन लेट हो रहा है उसके वजह से और भी ज़्यादा कंपटीशन होगा, एंड द कंपटीशन फॉर टॉप कॉलेजेस विल बी हाई, एंड वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग योर एग्जाम विल बी इन द मंथ ऑफ August. Now, if I talk about number of colleges, so there are 120 plus colleges are there in the state of Maharashtra, and if I talk about top colleges, so there are very few top colleges are there, like GLC Mumbai is there, ILS Pune is there, KC College of Law, Rizvi Law College, Siddharth Law College, and Jitendra Chauhan College of Law. So these are few colleges, and there will be huge competition for these top colleges. So you need to prepare well, you need to work hard on your preparation to get these top colleges. So now let's see what are the cutoff for top colleges. If you want to get admission in GLC Mumbai, so 120 plus is a safe score for GLC, and if I talk about ILS Pune, so 115 to 120 it's safe score, and if I talk about Jitendra Chauhan College of Law, so 93 plus score you need to score, and if I talk about KC College, then you need to score 97 plus marks in the Maharashtra Law CET examination. If I talk about Rizvi Law College, then 85 plus score you need to get, and Siddharth Law College you need to score 99 plus marks. So these are the cutoff for top colleges. Now if I talk about opportunities for law graduates, so what are the opportunities you will get after pursuing law? So you can work in corporate companies as a legal advisor. Okay, every corporate company require legal advisor, so you can work over there. You can be a judge with certain years of experience. You can be a judge in a district court. Now next is you can work in law firm. After that you can do government jobs like SBI is there, SEBI is there, IBPS is there. Also all the banks require consultant. Okay, after that you can work as a public prosecutor, you will work under state. So this is the opportunities for law graduates. Now if I talk about placements, guys, if you are in a top law college, then it provides you very good placement and internship. Okay, placements like JSA Advocates and Solitaire, Aditya Birla Group, Sardul Amarchand Mangaldas, Dua Associates, Lakshmi Kumaran Sridharan Attorneys, Deloitte, Wipro, Trilegal, and many more companies come and visit to these top law colleges and recruit the law graduates. Now if you want to prepare for law entrance examination for 2021, 22, 23, so you can prepare with us. You can join our online and live classes. You can call to our board line number. Our team will help you for live batches. If you want classroom coaching, so we have classroom coaching at Mumbai. Our branches are at Borivali, Vasai, Dadar. You can also visit to our website. You can also follow us on our social media handles for exam updates and notification. Guys, we have also launched a new YouTube channel which is very specific for law entrance examination. Guys, link of all the social media handles, it is given into the description box, so do check the description box. This is all about in this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, prepare well. All the best for your preparation. Thank you.